My name is Brenda Groen. I'm one of the researchers on this at the St. Maartens Clinic, and we are one of the clinical partners of the Motion Project. Children with CP, they have difficulty with moving, and they have weak muscles and they have spasticity, so they have really problems during walking. And therefore they also receive a lot of gait rehabilitation, and in our clinic we also use some technologies. As a St. Maartens Clinic, we provide some input for the development of the exoskeleton, and also we are planning to do for some first measurements in the clinic. And we also did the measurements for the stress measurements. So we measure the children in our clinic and try to introduce some stress to measure, and we can use all the signals really to detect stress using the signals. And what we also did, we translate the system usability skill to be used during the development of different technologies in the future in Dutch. Well, for the children with CP, they have really difficulties with walking, and I think when they have some help, that can really improve their daily life, the quality of their daily life. But we also need to say that what the stage now, it's maybe now a little bit too big to be really used in daily lives at the moment, and we also don't know how much training they need to be really useful in daily life. But we think for the future, yes, it could be. In our clinic, we use an exoskeleton for the adult population, but there was not one available for the children at the moment. The Motion Project brings for us, like we got to know a lot of more partners and collaborations. So that really brings us to us. And also like the development of the exoskeleton, of course, we hope that it will give us opportunities in the future to be used in our clinical practice. In the very near future, we plan to really test the exoskeleton in our clinic in children. Well, first in small adults, then in healthy children, and then in children with CP. And in the further future, we hope that we can still be involved to give some input for the further development of the exoskeleton, and at the end that we can help to really, in research, to really provide and evaluate the exoskeleton in more children with CP.